Are you gonna have some whipped cream?
No. Don't put it in my knife.
Okay, I won't put it in your eyes.
Ashley! It's okay. There you go. I got it. It's all better.
Open your mouth.
Did Daddy get it in your eyes?
It's okay. Kate's helping you.
Ready to try it again?
You want to try it again?
Okay, let's try it again. Here. Hold on.
Traumatize her with whipped cream. You got whipped cream in your ear.
That's enough. Don't put it.
You want to eat that? Oh, okay. You want more?
Okay, Daddy, give you more. Put your hands down.
Tip your head up.
Put your hands down.
See.